ito first question natin. Ano ang pangunahing layunin ng ASEAN Chartered Professional Accountant? Ito yung tinatawag na ASEAN CPA program, partner.
Okay, so the ASEAN CPAs natin, these are actually yung tinatawag natin na parang bridge professional degree wherein nagmula to dahil sa MRA ng ASEAN countries. May 10 tayong ASEAN countries that are actually signed together with the rest of yung member countries under the mutual recognition arrangement or agreement, no? Ito ay parang kung papansinin niyo sa EU, yung mga European countries na nagsama-sama din sila in order for them to consolidate, they are allowing other professional to work there without additional layer of requirements. Same goes sa atin, dun sa mga naka-sign na mga countries, yung mga CPAs natin dito sa Philippines, okay, as long as they are actually recognized and accredited under the ASEAN CPA, they can start doing business and work in other ASEAN countries.
Okay Actually, magandang opportunity sa mga kasama natin mga accountant na yun.
That's correct, sir. Yeah.